slow breaking free from all constraints, until you suddenly stepped in, and I was truly liberated. Now I embrace a wild and boundless life, knowing your love is with me. You are stunning in every way, a timeless charm, my love. You have the ability to make everything right, even without words. Sailing on tranquil waves, you are my peace to rise above my fears. You, the pulse within my soul, is love, and calls my heart in place. You, the pulse within my soul, together we craft our ageless story. Just returned from the brink, striving to be a better man for you. Your unwavering loyalty, which I feel is beyond my word. In any crowd there's always a star that outshines all the rest. Your love and our standards inspire a profound drive in me. In any crowd your light shines the brightest, your presence always guides me. Sailing on tranquil waves, you are my peace to rise above my fears. You, the pulse within my soul, this love, and calls my heart in place. You, the pulse within my soul, together we craft our ageless story. Inspiration, a melody in my heart. My heart is yours, now and always, forever. You, the pulse within my soul, this love, and calls my heart in place. You, the pulse within my soul, together we craft our ageless story. You, the pulse within my soul, this love, and calls my heart in place. You, the pulse within my soul.